Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Monday, October 5th, 2015. I want to go over an options trade I took. I want to show you exactly why I did it. My hopes are that you guys can learn from it and replicate it and just become one of those traders that makes money hand over fist. All right, bottom line is, take a look at DuPont. That was the trade. I bought calls in DuPont, the $50 strike, and I bought it a week or so ago. And the key here was looking at the chart and seeing what I was seeing. So again, look at how the chart was coming down very quickly here, right? Very fast drops. And you had some bounces along the way, but it was still falling very quickly. Notice how over the last 2 weeks or so, it bottomed out even when the markets were plummeting, on certain days in the past couple weeks. I mean, we had some pretty big down days if you go to the spiders. For instance, if I flip over to my SPY chart, or actually we'll go to the DIA since DuPont's in the Dow, and you can see like this big fall here before this latest bounce. I mean, that's a great example, right? So this big fall a couple weeks ago, if you go to the DuPont chart, take a look. Almost no downside action in this, and that was the first indicator it was coming towards a bottom. All right. In addition, it was obviously oversold, dramatically oversold. I mean, look at this drop on DuPont from a high of over $80 down to sub $50. But that was just another indicator that you'd want to pay attention to. In addition, I think the biggest signal here is go to the weekly chart. All right, first of all, look at the drop on the weekly, but then zoom out, and you see these little pivots. See all this consolidation here, this pivot high right here, this point. All right, so all these levels, what I want you to do is put some trend lines in right in this vicinity. So pivot low, pivot high, pivot high, pivot low, pivot high, and so forth. Look at what it matches up with. So again, even if you couldn't pick the exact bottom to the penny on DuPont, you should have been able to clearly see it was an oversold chart coming into significant support where at least you're going to get some sort of bounce. So ultimately, I bought the Januaries to give myself extra time just in case the market continued to be wacky, but it paid off long before that. We made a quick 26+% on these call options, and again, I did take profits today after the big bounce in the last couple days. So just a beautiful move here, guys. And again, I hope you see how the chart really dictated what we should be looking for and ultimately what did end up happening. And DuPont again today up another $1.88 today. Just a beautiful move to the upside, 4% to the upside. And again, congratulations to Options Alerts members on the great profit. I want to show you one thing here, folks. If we flip over, this is the research center on our website, but what I want to show you here is go to the Options Alerts at InTheMoneyStocks.com. You can see our track record here, third-party verified. I haven't added in the DuPont winner yet, but again, we will be adding that in here shortly, and just an awesome, awesome move, guys, and a great profit. And actually, there are a couple other winners here that I haven't added in yet that we will add in, and that'll actually boost the net win to probably well over 20, maybe even 2,700% when we add in these other winners. So think about that. 2015, if you were an Options Alert member and took every trade and closed out every trade, your net gain is probably about 2,700%, but we'll say 25.76 right now, or 2,576. But again, just think about it like this. Just put 10% of your portfolio in each trade on the options side, and you're up 257% right now. That's an amazing move. I mean, so just unbelievable. And again, third-party verified, guys. All our winners and losers. But again, notice how many more winners there are than losers. Unbelievable action. And again, about 100+%, maybe 150% to be added to this track record when it gets updated by the third party. Okay? All right, guys, enjoy. Come join the Research Center for a 7-day free trial, or if you want the Options Alerts, come join the Options Alerts here. Get the action. Get the next trade alerts coming out very soon. Take